Match in 3, 2, 1, go.
And again, the first 15 seconds in match number 6 in autonomous, as it is programmed to do what you see them doing right now. Even if it's just standing still on the ocean floor, fighting the ocean current. As they move away from their starting position, they gain 3 points. They can score a piece of coral. They can score anywhere from 3 to 7 points in autonomous. And now the human players have control where the points drop. They can score from 2 to 5 points now on the coral. In the processor, they can score the algae. They can gain 6 points in each processor on the side. Can also score 4 points by placing the algae in the net on top of the barge. At the end of the match, they can possibly score up to 36 points for their alliance by pulling themselves off of the ocean floor by the cages, either anchored deep in the water like the Red Alliance or shallow in the water like the Blue. 1648 G3 Robotics with a piece of coral in their possession. They're at the trough. If they can get it in the trough, that'll be worth 2 points for their alliance. And it bounces out of the trough onto the ocean floor. 1648 picks them up another piece of coral. They're going to try it again. They're at the reef zone. They're at the coral reef right now. They've got that coral in their possession. Backing off, trying to get in position. Drop it into the trough. 2 points for the Red Alliance. That's it's 11 to 5. Make that 17 to 5. Now in favor of the Red Alliance, with just over a minute left to go in the competition. The Blue Alliance bots picking up coral from the coral station on the side. When they go to the side, the human player on top of the surface of the ocean drops the coral down a chute onto the robot to place on the coral reef at 1648, down at the trough one more time, dropping it in for another 2 points as it's 29 to 5 right now. A lot of action still taking place on the Red Alliance side of the field. That's 47-01, Team Wire trying to play defense to stop the Red Alliance from scoring those points on the reef. 1648 with that coral in their possession. They're trying to get up there, drop it into the trough for another 2 points as it's 31 to 5 with 22 seconds left to go. The Fighting Mongooses, they're at the barge. They're parked in the barge zone with 47-01 parked on the other side of the zone, underneath the shallow anchored cages. 1648 parked at the deep anchored cage for the Red Alliance. Each one of those bots parked in their barge zone worth 2 points at the end of the match for their alliance. That's the end of qualification match number 6 of what will be a total of 62 qualifying matches. We will be playing through match number 12 today. After match number 12, we will break for lunch and return for play this afternoon at 2 o'clock. Once again, match 12, we'll break for lunch, and match 13 will start up promptly at 2 p.m. Don't forget to stop by the Shaw booth and visit the sponsors on Sponsor Row.